Hey there, coding champ. Let me ask you a question. Ever tried making to-do list and halfway through it turns into what not to do to-do list? Well, worry no. More because HTML has got you covered with the ordered list. Orders are like that fun friend who obsessed with organizing everything the first thing first, second item second, and no room for chores. But here's the fun part you don't have to deal with their performance team. HTML takes care of all it all. In today's video, we learn how to create a list that not only look good but also scream, "Hey, I know what I am doing." Whether it's 1, 2, 3 or ABC, order lists are here to bring some serious order to your web pages. So grab your snack and let's dive into the world of lists with logic and maybe a sprinkle of laughs along the way. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, let's talk about in the HTML what are ordered list. So let's start. The HTML OR tag defines an ordered list. An ordered list can be numerical or alphabetical. Ordered HTML list. An ordered HTML list is always started with the OL tag, and each list item start with the LI tag. The list item will be marked with the numbers by default. Like in this example, we are starting a ordered list using a OL tag and inserting any item using li tag. Here you can see it. So let's copy it and let's come on my Visual Studio Code, and then let me click on my window, and when I click on my window, let me close it, and then I'm clicking on the file, then I'm clicking on the new file. And when we do this, so I only want to do it, I'm creating here one file by the name of index.html, and I'm making this file on my documents. Anyway, you make it at your own choice, and when you make it this file on my documents, so what can I do? I only paste this code. Not pasting this code, I'm first of all write deductive regulation, then HTML, and then body. Now here we define OL, and then when we define OL, then here we write li like apple, banana, and then cherry. And then when we wrote this all the things, so you only want to do it, we save it, and then I'm clicking on the documents, and then I'm opening my index.html file like here. So this is called the ordered list. Why it is called the ordered list? Because there is coming the numbers like 1, 2, 3. So that's why this is called the ordered list. Okay. Now ordered HTML list, the type attribute. The type attribute of the OL tag defines the type of a list item marker. Type like type and type double commas 1. The list time will be numbered with number by default. Type A. The list will number it with the uppercase letter. Type small a. The list item will be numbered with the lowercase letter. Type I. The list item will be numbered with the uppercase Roman numbers, and type small I. The list item will be numbered with a lowercase Roman number. Numbers. This is one example. You can see it. In this example, I am giving the type 1. So when I save it, and then when I write here type, and then I write 1, so it give me like 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. Or if I write type A in the if I write type capital A, so now it give me A, B, C in capital, all the things like this. Or if I write here in the lowercase, I write A. So when I write lowercase in A, so there is coming in the lowercase, the A, B, C is coming. Now like this. Roman number uppercase. If I write here uppercase Roman number in it, I write in the capital I. If I write save it and run it, so now it give me like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Or if I write Roman number lowercase, so save it and run it, so now it give me like this in the small. So this is called this is come example of the ordered list. Control list counting. By default, an ordered list with starting from 1. If you want to start counting from a specified number, you can use the start attribute. Which attribute? Start attribute. In this example, I am using the start attribute, like I write here start 50 in the OL, save it and then run it. So now it give me 50, 51, 52. Why it is giving 50, 51, 52? Because I say start from 50. So that means started from 50, it give me 51, 52 like this. Or you can, if you want to add a more items, so it give you 53, 54, 55. Let me show you. Save it and run it. So now it give you 53, 54, 55 like this. Nested HTML list. List can be nested, list inside a list. This one example here you can see, in this example we make a list inside a list. This is called a nested HTML list. When you make a list inside a list, so this is called the nested HTML list. First of all, I create a ordered list in OL tag, and then when I end it, then I create a one more OL tag, then I ended it here, then I write li in the end, then I write like li milk, then I write like OL. Now save it and then run it. So you me like this. So you can see when you make a list inside a list, so it look like this. Here we create a list inside a list. Now note that a list item li can contain a new list, okay, and other HTML elements like images and links etc. Here you can see that this li can contain a new list, okay. What? This li can contain a new list, okay. You must know that this li is contain a new list, okay. So like that, this type of one things I told you about the nested HTML list, control list counting, and Roman numbers lowercase, Roman numbers uppercase. Then I told you about the lowercase letters, then I talked you about the uppercase letters, then numbers. So I hope your concept will be clear about it. Now let me give the summary of the chapter. Use the HTML OL element to define an ordered list. Whenever you define an ordered list, you can use the OL element. Number 2, use the type attribute to define a numbering type, like if you want to give the A in the ABC or in the number or in the Roman number, so you can do this using a type attribute. li element to define a list item, okay. In the OL tag which item you will be inserted, you will be inserted using the li element. Number 4, list can be nested. You must know that list can be nested. Then number 5, list item can contain other HTML elements, okay. So this chapter has been also be this series has been this video has been also be ended by the name of HTML ordered list, okay. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notifications also. Then come on to my channel by the name of Code with PK. There is my channel. And when you click, go on to my channel by the name of Code with PK, where is my channel? Okay, here it is. Now, you are completed. I am in 11,000 subscriber, but you are unsubscribing my channel, and now I am coming into the 9,000 subscriber. So why you are doing this? So please, now we are already near to 10,000 subscribers, so complete it, okay. And I am uploading these type of many videos, and tell me in the comment section below if you are not enjoying this type of videos like chatbot or these type of, so tell me so in the comment section, so I will be not uploaded. If you enjoying, so tell me. If you do not enjoying, so tell me in the comment section below, so I will be do not upload these video of like chatbot and these all things. So tell me in the comment section below, and please subscribe me. We go on our 10,000 subscriber one more time, okay. So but anyways, I meet you next lesson, next video, amazing class. But now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video, outro of this very big video. So now, sorry, not very big video, very small video, okay. So let's give the outro of this video. And there you have it, folks. HTML ordered list, the ultimate tool to bring some structure to your web pages and your life. Whether you are listing groceries to do items, or your top 10 favorite memes, ordered list have to got your back. If you found this video helpful or at least slightly funny, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment what the most random thing you are ever made a list of. I'm curious. Until next time, happy coding and happy listening. See you in the next video.